Welcome to 12-Minute School. In this video we'll provide the overview of UiPath. UiPath is a global software company specializing in robotic process automation, RPA, to automate repetitive tasks. It also can be used to automated manual test cases for functional and regression testing. UiPath allows desktop automation, automate tasks on local machines. Web automation, interact with web applications and browsers. Excel automation, handle data in Excel files. PDF automation, extract and manipulate data from PDF documents. Email automation, manage and automate email processes. API automation, integrate with various APIs. Database automation, perform operations on databases. Citrix automation, automate tasks in virtual environments. SAP automation, automate processes within SAP systems. UiPath supports VB.NET, widely used for developing automation scripts within UiPath. C#, another supported language for developing automation scripts. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to this channel.